or libel.
Appearances.
Opinion for the prosecution, Your Honor. Appearing as counsel for the accused.
Prosecutor may now speak.
Honorable Judge, the complainant was condemned by the public without proper basis. The article that Ms. Maria Lenzo Brilliant wrote contained false statements. This unproven accounts created major chaos in Ms. Jamil's and Chica's life. My client was made a victim of improper use of media's rights. Your Honor, the man that they claimed as my client's sugar daddy was in fact her mother's older brother, Mr. Lopez, visited them at a respectable dinner. She accompanied him. That happened on August 17, 2010 at exactly 8:35 in the evening. Mr. Lopez had just arrived from the airport. Your Honor, ready to present our witness for additional details.
Call the witness to the witness stand.
May I call my witness, Miss Christine Grace Antonio?
Raise your right hand. Do you vow to tell the truth and nothing but the truth in this court? State your name, age, and other personal circumstances.
I am Christine Grace Antonio, 25 years old, of witness of Lao Senior Restaurant.
Judge, the witness of now rests.
With the kind consent of the honorable court.
Proceed.
Madam Witness, do you know Miss Janela Chica?
Yes, she is a missing lead.
How about the private respondent, Miss Maria Lenza Barriento?
Yes, I know her.
Madam Witness, can you tell us what happened on June 18, 2010?
It was 7:30 in the evening.
I saw Miss La Chica and Miss Barriento having a dinner together. They seemed talking about a serious matter. Suddenly, Miss Barriento raised her voice. I heard her yelling at Miss La Chica not to dare break up their stand. What happened next? Miss La Chica tried to slide and calm her down. She said about things will be in time herself in schedule. But Miss Giordano didn't manage her. She even pretended Miss La Chica. She said if she'll do what she plans, she will destroy Miss La Chica. And she walked out in the restaurant, leaving Miss La Chica unhurt. Did you hear Miss La Chica utter any mischievous word? No. Well, Your Honor, based on what we heard, Miss Barriendo has other bases, another reason for her to write those articles to destroy my client's reputation intentionally. That is all for the witness, Your Honor.
Cross.
With the kind consent of the honorable court.
Proceed.
Madam Witness, when you heard their conversation, is it your intention to listen?
Objection, Your Honor. That is not a rightful question.
Objection overruled. Witness may answer.
In your own opinion, will a professional person will act like that with a rightful reason? Don't you realize or even come to think that Miss La Chica may have started the fight in a silent way in order not to hear?
No, Miss Barriento was under detection in the personal clothes. Objection, Your Honor.
That is all for the witness, Your Honor.
The witness is excused. Thank you very much.
Your Honor, ready to present our witness.
Call the witness to the witness stand.
May I now call the witness, Miss Charlie Chino? their proper safety. That's not true! How dare you! Your Honor, Mr. Lopez is a real billionaire and has started a celebrity beginner. Miss Chica needs someone like this in order to pursue her safety, to help her financially and socially. And as a beauty, she can use herself in order to pursue that purpose. And the witness saw them with her bare eyes. Moreover, if it is that her older brother of his mother, why don't they just let her stay in their house instead of hotel? That's all for the witness, Your Honor.
Cross.
With the kind consent of the normal court.
Proceed.
Madam Witness, based on your records, did Mr. Lopez and Miss La Chica check in one room? Okay, so Madam Witness, do you have any proof that Miss La Chica and Mr. Lopez did something undesirable?
No, only Mr. Lopez checked in.
That is all for the witness, Your Honor.
Witness is excused. Call the accused.
May we call Miss Margaret Silveriano? Please come forward.
The clerk of the court is directed to read the dispositive portion of the decision.
Therefore, premises considered Miss Margaret Silveriano